This is an Audi TTRS, and this is a BMW M340i. And today, we're going to be testing these cars over the standing quarter mile to see which one's quicker. 2.5 5-cylinder or 3-litre straight 6. Place your bets, guys, because you know it's about to get spicy. So we'll just start with the Audi TTRS. It's a 2.5 5-cylinder engine, which puts out 400 brake horsepower from factory. It also comes with the Audi Quattro system, which is a 4-wheel drive. It's a Haldex system, so predominantly it's front-wheel drive when it doesn't need the grips. As soon as it needs grip, it sends the power to the back to keep the traction fine. With the BMW M340i, it's an X-drive system. So this one works in the opposite direction where it sends the power to the back wheels, but if it needs to get the grip, it sends it to the front and 50-50 split. So that's the differences in the systems. They're both 4-wheel drive, so you're not gonna slip. You're just gonna grip and dip. But today, we're gonna be reviewing these cars over the standing quarter mile to see which car's quicker. This car here isn't standard. It's a stage 1 tuned Ignite Performance remap, which puts out 484 brake horsepower. That's all it's had done. It's got no intakes, no downpipes, no exhaust systems to the car. So it is literally just a stage 1 remap by Ignite Performance. The BMW M340i is not stock either. From factory, these cars push out known to be around 365 to 370 horsepower. This one is not stock. It's a stage 2 MHD OTS map off the shelf. And again, like I said, these tuning capabilities of both cars are actually incredible. The B58 makes incredible power and the Audi TTRS makes incredible power. So this car pushes out around 500 horsepower with the stage 2 tune that it's had. It also can take E40 mix fuel, which is like an upgraded racing fuel type thing, which maybe takes it up to around 550 horsepower, I want to say. Both of these cars have been tested. If you haven't come to the channel before and you're new to this channel, you can watch those videos just to get some data in your head. But this car and this car both run very, very similar times. So it's going to be interesting today to see what these cars can run back to back. This car weighs around, I want to say, 1,450 kilos. This car weighs around 1,900 kilos. So there is a massive weight difference. However, anybody that knows in the tuning world, these BMW M340i's, B58, they punch above their weight. So the weight today shouldn't be too much of a problem because these cars, once they get going, they are absolutely rocket ships. So I got my man Jamie with me today. He's the owner of this BMW M340i. So welcome to the channel, James. Thank you. Expectation wise on your car and what you think it will run today and you know where you think we'll come in the race?
I think I'll lose on both maps. However, I think on my pump, I'm doing what, 11.5s uphill. I think on my E, I could be low 11s, but at the end of the day, it's a heavy car. I think you should do me on both comfortably, especially on pump. On E, it might be a little bit closer, but I'm just grateful to be here and just actually put these cars to the test.
Yeah. He's playing it down a bit, bro. I'm not gonna lie. People that know these cars know that they're savages. And just for reference, obviously your best time before, I'm sure you said it was
11.5.
Yeah.
On pump. I haven't done anything on E yet.
Yeah.
And that was, I think the track was 119 maybe.
Yeah.
But yeah, on a 100, 200, it was a low 8.
Yeah.
On pump. And that's all at 20 degrees.
Okay, so
winter,
yeah,
I reckon it'd be a little bit quicker.
Yeah, we're gonna get out now and see what they both do. Yo, my people, before we go any further in this video, something terrible happened. And no, nobody didn't crash their car. Nothing didn't happen like that. However, this little GoPro here decided to play games of its own. So long story short, usually if you've watched this channel before, I have the in-car footage of the GoPro. So I'd have the GoPro footage of me in the car. And as you can see in this video, you'll see the other camera that I've got is in the BMW. But today, this GoPro was working. Everything was running absolutely sweet. Until after the video, when we went out and shot another video, which you'll soon see on the channel. However, when I needed to use the memory card out of this thing, I took it out and I put it in the other GoPro that I've got. Unfortunately, on its way into that memory card holder, it said format error, okay? Format error. Now, I don't have a clue what format error is other than, okay, maybe I need to turn it off and turn it back on. That's what I done, because it didn't give you any options. It just said format error. So the only way to continue was to press record, but it wouldn't press record because it was saying, I don't know if you can see there, SD error. Okay, I hope that camera's picking it up there. Let me just put it a little bit more closer. SD error, right? So as you do, you take the memory card back out, you put it back in, close this little thing here, as you can see. So when I've gone to press play, everything is working absolutely perfect. This is in a different video shoot after the video you're seeing now. After that, I take the camera home, plug it into my laptop, and it says format error, memory card corrupted. So I'm thinking, wow, what can it be? You know, maybe it's the laptop now. I wasn't even thinking of it because this carried on working. So I've gone to plug it back into the laptop. It said the same thing. Now, when I've put it back in the GoPro to see what's actually happened, that's all I'm getting. I can plug this in multiple GoPros. I can plug it in multiple cameras, and that's all it says. So, long story short, the in-car footage of me when I'm in the TT, driving and doing the testing against Jamie, didn't actually come out. So all I've got is the in-car footage of him in his car, and his car footage was pointing on the road and obviously to the side, so you can actually see which car was kind of in front, because we kind of wanted to have it so that we had one camera on the road and then one camera in the car on me. So that's basically how we planned it. That's how it works usually. But unfortunately, this GoPro played silly buggers. It wasn't even the GoPro, it's actually the memory card. It obviously packed up because it's quite a hot day today. So I don't know if it's something to do with that or not. Like I said, I don't want to bore you to death, but I apologize for not having the in-car footage. So you're gonna have to listen to me from Jamie's car in my car, because obviously we had it connected up so the hands-free set so you could hear us both on the phone. But yeah, like I said, look guys, enjoy this video. It's still a good video. We still went out, we still did what we had to do. I'm going to use the draggy camera, which again wasn't pointed at the road, it was just held in the middle of the car. And again, like I said, usually if you're aware of this channel, you've been on this channel, you will usually see that in-car footage of me, road footage of the other car, and if Jamie's car, we would have switched it over and done vice versa. But we didn't get to that point. I wasn't even aware until I've come home later on today and tried to edit the video. But listen, like I said, lock into the video. I'm just trying to put it out there now so that nobody says, oh Mish, what happened to the footage, and why was you not in your car, why can't we see you, and all the rest of it. But yeah, enjoy the video. Great video. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Let's get into this races now.
30, 60, quarter mile.
Okay, so we done 11.67 quarter mile, and we done a 0 to 60 in 3.5.
30, 60.
So
11.47
was 11.4 on the quarter mile and 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. So
I was doing 16
yeah,
more quicker.
yeah. Let's move it. So 3, 2, 1, go. Yes! Come on! Ignite Eco Tune Sauce, you know the vibes. Big up Jamie anyway, each and every time. Drag race is over, let's hit the rollers. Okay, so we're gonna do the rollers now. Just go when that lamppost hits, yeah? Not this one, second lamppost, yeah? So, ready, go. Okay, so TTRS takes the first rollers. I'll just confirm now. Was that right, yeah, bro?
Yeah, it was about right, yeah.
Okay, so the TTRS takes the first rollers of the day. We're gonna run the second one now, and then see who takes the second one. Cool, bro. And go. close. This one's close.
Oh, that is
Yeah, that one was close, bro. I don't even know who took that one, bro. Was it a little bit?
I don't know, bro. That is close.
Okay. So on the third lamppost, second gear, yeah?
Yeah.
Ready? Go. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Yeah. Woo!
That
All
is
I know,
so
yeah. Yeah, man, listen, that was absolutely sick, yeah. I enjoyed it. We got there in the end. Like I said, we got both clean runs. But you know what it's like sometimes when you roll forward and then you miss the signals and stuff. But we got it down to the T. The TTRS did take the victory in the end. But as I said, the B58 M340i, shout out to Jamie, that car is incredibly fast. For a 1900 kilo car, this only weighs 1450, 1470 at a push with me in. You know what I mean? So it's good to see both cars came out with both spirits. And yeah, like I said, if you watch this video to the end, shout out to you as well. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And if you've got something that you think you want to bring on the channel, maybe it's your mate's car versus your ever mate's car, shout me. If you want to race the TTRS or I can get Jamie to line something up again, give me a shout. But listen, thanks for watching. You know the vibes. Next episode coming soon.